Welcome to the era of 5G, a digital revolution that's transforming how we live, work, and connect. 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology, is not just about faster internet. It's about unlocking a world of possibilities that once seemed like science fiction. But what exactly is 5G? And how will it reshape the digital world as we know it? Let's dive in. What is 5G? At its core, 5G is a major leap forward from its predecessors 4G, 3G, and beyond. While 4G gave us video streaming and mobile apps, 5G delivers ultra-fast speeds, low latency, and the capacity to connect millions of devices simultaneously. Imagine downloading a full HD movie in under 10 seconds, or playing a competitive online game with virtually zero lag. That's the power of 5G. Technically speaking, 5G promises speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, latency under 1 millisecond, and the ability to support over 1 million devices per square kilometer. It's not just faster, it's smarter, broader, and more responsive Impact on communication. The most immediate impact of 5G. How we communicate. 5G enhances video calls, virtual meetings, and live streaming, making them smoother, sharper, and more interactive. It also improves reliability and connection quality, even in crowded spaces like stadiums or concerts. No more dropped calls or buffering videos. Communication becomes instant, immersive, and always on. Transformation in industries. But the real game changer. It's how 5G is transforming industries. In healthcare, doctors can now perform surgeries remotely using robotic instruments powered by real-time 5G networks. Telemedicine becomes faster and more accurate, especially in remote areas. In transportation, 5G enables autonomous vehicles to communicate with each other and with smart traffic systems, reducing accidents and improving traffic flow. In manufacturing, 5G-powered factories use AI and IA to automate processes, detect issues instantly, and streamline production. This is the era of smart factories and Industry 4.0. And let's not forget education. With 5G, students can join virtual classrooms, explore augmented reality lessons, and collaborate globally without technical limitations. Impact on entertainment and daily life. For everyday users, 5G is revolutionizing entertainment and how we experience content. Augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR become truly immersive. Imagine attending a concert or walking through a museum from your living room with 360-degree views in real time. Streaming will be seamless, even in 4K or 8000 quality. Gamers will enjoy cloud gaming with near zero latency, no downloads needed. And in smart homes, 5G enables every device, lights, security systems, appliances to work together effortlessly. Life gets faster, smarter, and more connected. The business revolution. For businesses, 5G means efficiency, innovation, and growth. Small businesses can now access technologies that were once out of reach, like AI, real-time data analytics, and virtual collaboration tools. Retailers are using 5G to personalize shopping experiences, track inventory with precision, and even enable cashier-less stores. In finance, banks and fintech companies are deploying real-time mobile services with advanced security and reliability. Startups, freelancers, and global teams can collaborate instantly from anywhere in the world. No delays, no limits. Challenges and considerations. Of course, with all this innovation, there are challenges. Building 5G infrastructure is costly and requires massive investment. Privacy and cybersecurity risks also increase as more devices get connected. There's also the question of accessibility. Will rural or developing areas be left behind? Governments and companies must ensure equitable access so that the 5G revolution benefits everyone, not just the wealthy or urban populations. Conclusion. 5G is more than just a new network, it's the backbone of the future digital world. It will reshape how we connect, innovate, and interact. From smart cities to self-driving cars, from personalized medicine to immersive experiences, the possibilities are endless. The 5G era is here. Are we ready to embrace it?